Many congratulations to Amber Francis for being nominated. Her work is really interesting in terms of what she's developed for healthy food and eating, but also turning that into a business as well. And I was particularly struck by the fact that she works at one of our local schools, and so I'm sure has been a really inspiring leader there too for the school community as a whole and for the young people. And well done, Amber, for bringing something different to this too. Thank you.
Amber Francis has been head chef and senior food educator at Christ College Finchley since September 2023. And at Christ College, we often call ourselves a family, and we believe that education doesn't stop at the classroom door, but extends throughout the development of the whole child, and that includes meal times. We are incredibly proud of how Amber has revolutionized the dining experience at Christ College. Pupils every day are served healthy, delicious and nutritious meals. Not just that, but Amber has practically eliminated single-use plastic. She's also reduced food waste while increasing both our recycling and our pupils' understanding of having sustainable and healthy diets.
Hi, my name's Amber and my role is to reinvent the way that the school looks at food, from what we serve in the canteen at meal times to how food is approached in education across the board, both in and outside of the classroom. So one of the first things that I did when I came to Christ College Finchley was completely change all the school menus. I tried to prioritise home-cooked or school-cooked food with really good produce, focusing on freshness, taste and nutritional quality. But the most important thing that we did was to talk with students and to find out what they really wanted from the food offering at Christ College Finchley. Something else that I've done is introduce Try Something New Tuesdays. Now, this is a project that we run every week, and it's an opportunity to get students really engaged in the food that they're eating. So I source a lot of the ingredients that I use in the kitchen from suppliers that I worked with in my restaurant background. The school has been amazing at enabling me to bring that experience from the hospitality industry into the school environment so that students and teachers alike can get the best possible experience. What's really exciting about working at Christ College Finchley in the food department is to be able to celebrate students' wins with food, whether that's at an arts awards evening, making canapes and really engaging the students in serving the food and being a part of that experience. I also try to regularly take part in food tech classes and work closely with the teaching in that department so that students can see learning across the curriculum from both in the canteen and in the classroom. So we have an amazing bunch of students that form a part of the School Food Council, and I meet with them regularly to discuss their likes and dislikes of the menus, what we can do to improve food and food education as a whole within the school. Christ College Finchley also has a growing club on site, and it is run by some of the amazing members of the science department. Competing in Great British Menu was an amazing opportunity, but it was really poignant for me because I got to bring my experiences at the school along with my professional background in hospitality together into one competition. It was really, really special to have both the teachers from the school and even teachers from my own primary school at the banquet attending. And a particularly special moment for me was seeing the students that had created a piece of music to be served in my main course attending at such a prestigious event.